This is Maria Liberati from marialiberati.com and the Gourmand World Award-winning book series, The Basic Art of Italian Cooking, and the Maria Liberati Show podcast. Today I'm making my panzanella salad. It's a salad from Tuscany. This one's kind of inspired by Leonardo da Vinci because we're going to throw in a lot of fresh herbs, and that's what he used to do in salad dressings and things that he made. So it's a really simple salad, great for summer or any time of the year. I'm going to start with our main ingredient for the panzanella salad, the crunchy, crispy, day-old, actually it's 2-day-old bread that I put under the broiler to get a nice texture of a crunchy, crispy bread. I'm going to put in, this is about a 1/4 cup of vinegar. So I'm using Chardonnay vinegar, but I recommend white wine vinegar or balsamic vinegar. So I'm going to just pour this on top of my bread. And this will actually flavor the salad. So we're going to let this sit for a little bit. And now I have my red onions. So for this recipe, you need about 1/2 to 1 whole red onion, depending on the size and depending on what you'll like. If you like a lot of onion, use 1 full onion. If not, use just 1/2 of an onion. So we're going to slice my red onion, and I'm using big slices. And we're going to put this in the bread that is marinating. So my next step is to add in, this was a large cucumber from my garden, so I'm going to add in 1/2 of this of summer, and you can find the recipe at marialiberati.com, in my Gourmand World Award-winning book series, The Basic Art of Italian Cooking, in my podcast, The Maria Liberati Show. Until next time, peace, love, and pasta.